As a React Native developer, have you ever wondered how and why does Amazon application removes their bottom tabs bar whenever you are going towards the checkout page? Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Fun with React Navigation. So as you saw earlier in the Amazon application, they remove their bottom tabs bar whenever you are going to the checkout page or the payments page. Why do you think this happens? Before I reveal my answer, I want you guys to comment down below what is your answer. Alright, so now my answer goes like this. I believe they do this to reduce the distraction of the user. As the user is going towards the checkout page, they want the particular user to have the full concentration to buying that particular product. They don't want the user to see whether the profile of the user or the previous orders of the user or any part of the bottom tabs bar, to remove and reduce the particular distraction. They want their users full attention to buying that product. I believe this is a great and brilliant strategy to control what the user wants or the developer wants from their application from the user. So if you're looking to implement this particular feature in your React Native application, so go ahead and watch this video till the end. I will showcase you how we can hide the bottom tabs bar for specific screens. Alright guys, so in order to make you understand how we can hide tabs in a particular screen, I have created a dummy project over here. As you can see, this project contains 4 tabs and each tab has some screens inside of them. So the home screen has go to products, then we have product details screen, then we have checkout, and then we have the payment. So for my case and for this video, I want to remove the tabs for the checkout screen and the payment screen. Let us see how we can do that. I'm sure you're aware of one options that we get when we are creating tabs. That is, when we go for styling of a tab bar style, we have a display property which we can either put none or flex. It is flex by default, but if we put none, our tab bar will be hidden. But now what is happening is, if I just put none over here, it is gone for all of the screens in that particular stack, and this does not satisfy my condition. So what we will do is, we will create a conditional function, a condition where we will add particular route names only for removing the tabs. So for that, we will make use of a property or a function, that I would say a function that is given by React Navigation native, that is get focus route name from route. This has been given by React Navigation native. You can go to the documentation and search for this for more information. I will tell you what it can do and help us in what way. I will create a function over here that will be named as get route name, and this function will have a route as a property, as an argument, and we will get a route name by initializing this particular function that we get by the route argument, and then we'll console this out to see what is happening over here. Alright, so how do we initialize and how do we get this route? For that, we will just put an enter over here and I will show you how we can get route. So over here, create parentheses and curly brackets and put route over here, and then the arrow, and then again the parentheses and again parentheses. Alright, so in this way you can get the route argument or route object in your options, and just call this function from your display property by giving your route argument object. Now let us refresh our application and see whether we get what we are looking for. So when I'm going to my checkout details screen, I get the details console over here, details route name. And now when I go to my checkout, I'm getting my checkout product screen name, route name. And now when I'm going to my payment, I'm getting my payment product route name. So that is great. So these are the names that I've given to my screens in that particular stack. As you can see, home, details, checkout product, and payment product. This is great. Now we have the particular screen names that we want to, from where we want to hide our particular tabs. So now what we do is we will just create an if statement over here, and we will add if the route name includes checkout, alright, or if the route name dot includes payment, and I'll add question mark over here in case it doesn't, and in case the route name is null, then put false in it and return none. In this case, as you saw earlier, the display has either none or flex values in it, and if it is not checkout or payment, then we want to show our particular tabs to them. Now let us refresh our application and see if this works or not. So I'm in my home screen. If I go to my products, I'm going to my product details screen. Now as you just saw, when I reach to my payment or my checkout product screen, I'm not seeing any tabs over here. If I go to my payments, even then I'm not seeing anything. Now I will go back to my details screen. As you just saw that as soon as I come back to my details screen, I'm seeing my tabs again. Now I can navigate again to different screens using this. This is great, right? This is how you can dynamically hide your tabs for particular screens. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then go and hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you guys are interested in finding more of these hidden use cases of React navigation, go and click over here. If you want to develop a full-fledged production level application, then click over here.